So, this is Momentus Capital Rube Goldberg machine. We are about to set it off. There are about 52 teams, 200 and some odd steps. Zayma, are you ready? All right.
I'll follow you, bro.
Zayna, here we go. And we are off. Oh, look at this. Taking 6 seconds for sure. Oh, nicely done. Look at this. It's coming. Oh my gosh, it's still working flawlessly.
Caretaker.
Oh, well done.
Yes. Yes.
We approve of Neva's organization. Nicely done. Nicely done.
Come on! I did it!
Well done. Oh my God! This is.
Are you guys gonna go?
There we go. There we go. Nicely done. Ooh, just gentle, gentle. There it is.
Yes!
Well done.
No!
Oh my God.
Nothing happened.
There's nothing to see here, folks. Making the corner, just barely getting in there. Little bit of a hand of God working. More hand of God. Into the actual dominoes. Nicely done. There it is. Oh, I like that section. That was glorious. Oh. There we go.
Oh no.
Still going. There it is. Sorry. So we are just going to. Very nice. Oh, very elegantly done. Slowly. Oh, someone had a safety domino infect. Nice. Oh yeah, still working. Here it comes. Whoa! Slow trot. Oh my God. There it is. Coming around the bend. Nicely. Oh, so fine.
Oh, come on!
We're about halfway through this machine. So far, it's worked flawlessly. Things are still happening gently. There you go. Oh, gotta be gentle with your interventions. There we go. Nicely done. Do we have to? Oh, we're waiting. Oh, this is brilliant! I love it. Come on, there we go.
Yeah!
Just right.
Money, 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 money!
Here it comes.
Pull it.
That's some ferocious tape we got going here. There it is. Here it comes. He's still adjusting. Okay. Here it comes. Something's about to happen. I don't know. The plunge is hit. Here it comes. Nicely done. A good transition. Ball down the ramp. Knocking the ball up. Perfectly done. Here we go. Still coming through. The orange ball collected. That wasn't quite the right length, but we're good. Here we go. And something's supposed to happen. Gentle. We didn't see a thing here. It worked perfectly. Nicely done. And. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was one heck of a contraption. You had moments of unmitigated brilliance and glorious failure like no other. So, job well done. So I'll ask you this. In terms of an activity that highlights collaboration, was that a successful collaborative activity? Raise your hand. Awesome. I would also like to go into a couple other things. One of the things that you highlighted as why we do team building programs like this, did you get to connect with people in a way that will deepen the relationships within the room, probably help you out as a team? Raise your hand if that's the case. Awesome. Did you, and it might not be in building an actual Rube Goldberg machine, but did you elevate the level of trust within the room by simply interacting with people outside of your ordinary roles and responsibilities? If that's the case, job well done. And lastly, did you have fun? Were you engaged? Okay, so that's our job here essentially. So I'm going to ask you in a moment. We're going to clear the decks here, which means you can help us break it down a little bit. Right now the room is gloriously chaotic. You'll find near the door a set of boxes. Help us